Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your SimpliSafe base station in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your security system is disarmed. You can use your keypad or the application in order to turn off any kind of active alarms. This particular step is going to prevent the alerts while shutting it down. Afterwards, you just have to disconnect the power cable from the base station. At this point, the unit may still stay on because of the backup battery inside. Now you need to flip the base station over and open the battery compartment at the bottom. Disconnect and remove the battery pack, and once these are removed, the base station will be fully powered off. After that, you need to simply check if there is no light or sound coming from the device. This particular thing confirms that the base station is completely turned off. Now to turn it on, simply reconnect the batteries and plug the power back in. And this way you can safely turn off your SimpliSafe base station. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.